Take a ride in the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, wheel covers, mirror memory, remote trunk release, steel wheels, security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.